Right then, we're back. Today we have been installing all of the block edging, and yeah, installed all of the block edging, and then got the Type 1 in, not whacked, but the 7 tons turned up today. So yeah, we managed to get that spread out, and then got all the block edging in, even got all the cuts done on that, and got the recess training as well. So good day's progress today. That's like 35.6 lineal meters of block edging. So yeah, good day. I'm pretty happy with that. How many blocks can you guys lay in a day? What sort of depth do you lay your blocks on, the edging on? But yeah, let's get into the video. Hope all is good with you. Day 3, blocks and sub base in, as well as the recess drain. Peace.